Today in this video, we'll be looking at why font awesome spinners won't spin even if the code is fine. Alright, so here I've already answered the question and it has got a good vote as well. So sometimes what happens is even if your code is fine, sometimes your settings in your PC could be the culprit. Alright, so in that case, I'll be showing you how to fix that. So here's a spinner and nothing else. There's a spinner and I've added the font awesome, this I and class fa spinner and fa spin, which should spin this icon, right? But it is not spinning right now because the PC settings could be the culprit. All right, so let's fix this. So if you're in Windows 10, what you have to do is you have to go you have to search for show animation, and then you have to come here, and if you see here there's a show animation in Windows, and you have to turn it on. And by the time you turn it on, you notice that the font awesome icon will start spinning. All right, and if you see in a code, there's nothing but just a class and nothing else now. And this is from the official documentation of font awesome. It's a class name, right? This one or this one, I've just used phi spinner and then phi spin. All right, you can use any of this. So that is it. All right, and if you're in Windows 11, then what you have to do is you have to go to settings and accessibility and visual effects and turn on animation effects. And for Mac, what you have to do is you'll have to go to system preferences, accessibility, display, reduce motion. All right, so I'll provide the link of this answer in the description, and that is it for this video.